Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Gani here. I'm your host today, and today's video I just want to discuss about what if we rename our title on YouTube. Okay, so this channel actually I'm focusing on how to become a content creator on YouTube, even if this channel not really good. Per this video uploaded, I only got 2,000 or 2K subscribers. Not really convincing. I know, but actually, to be honest, guys, I have much experience on YouTube. I have another channel, especially as myself in Indonesian language, talking about business, and I make money from it. So don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. Let's get it on to the title. What if we rename our YouTube title? So I will show you. My video. See, this is one of my video. I will show you this one. This is already uploaded about 2 years ago, and then as you can see at the first 192 days, the first 200 days, I may say, I got only 300 views. Only 300 views. Oh, sorry, only less than 200 views. And then at this moment, at this day, I changed the title into whatever it is, and then the result it keep moving, keep growing, grow and grow until today. This is one of the success story. And then another example, this one talk about Google Sheet, I believe. Yes, this is Google Sheet. And then here, as you can see, at the first 100 days, the views didn't grow at all. And then I renamed the name, and the result is it keep growing and grow until today. Okay, as you can see, this is growing. This is 2 years of journey, and the views not compared to big YouTubers, of course, not so good, not so impressive, I think. And then the thing is, I want to suggest you what I've done like that for old views of your videos. Let's say you upload 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and then when you check on it, there were no views at all at 3 months, at last 3 months, or at last month, or anything. The thing is, if your video not growing at all, why not? Why not? You should change the name. You should modify the attribute of your videos. Why not? Because no growth. You nothing to lose for doing that. So I suggest you doing that for your old video. And now it's really easy. You just grab your transcript, put it on ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to make it SEO friendly, and the description you can create a new description that hopefully attract algorithm, not attract people, but attract algorithm, because my experience, external traffic to your video is your opportunity. As you can see here, my video, this is about the Roblox. Now the views is about 17K. Most of the views is from the external, 85%. On the other side as well, it's 100% for the last 48 is from external, 100%. Even if only 2 views, but it's okay. It's fine. It's better than you just not doing anything, or you do nothing to your old video that doesn't grow. I suggest you to rename it, to change the attribute, whatever it is. At least you try, and hoping for the luck. Very simple. I already actually I change about one each day for my videos. I just check randomly, and then most of them didn't succeed. What I mean is, most of them not growing like this. What I show you here is the two of the success story, and most of them to be honest, not success at all, but I have nothing to lose. I just rename it, add the new description, add new text or anything, add new thumbnail or anything. If it doesn't work, never mind. But if it is work, or it does works, it's really good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. How I share my experience rename title on YouTube. I hope you could get insights from my video. Don't forget to subscribe so we can grow together on this YouTube journey. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.